Morning students, I am Manpreet Kaur, your ELGA teacher. As you all know that revision of Unit 4 is going on. So today we are going to cover day 10 to day 14 of Unit 4, The Great Indian Scientist. So without wasting much time, let's start the revision. So students, now we are going to begin with our first module of ELGA, that is phonics. So, as you have already learned that what are open syllable sounds and what are closed syllable sound, so now we are going to just classify the words into open syllable and closed syllable words. As you can see in the picture, a word is given to you, that is pencil. So, is this a word an open syllable or a closed syllable word? Can you tell? Yes, to find out, first we will break the words into syllables. You already know what are syllables? Okay. So you will first find out the two vowels, that is E and I, and then we will break the word with one consonant with them. So we will break it like this, as there are two consonants between the vowels. So is this word, so now we are having two closed syllables, that is pen, pen, and cil. So we will put this word into category of closed syllable word. Now let us see another word, that is tulip. Is this word an open syllable or closed syllable word? Can you tell? Yes. So what do we do? We will break the word into two. So first we will find out the vowels, that is U and I, and we will break it like this, as there is only one consonant between the vowels. So we now came to know that there is one open syllable and one closed syllable word. So we will put this word into the category of open syllable words. Okay students, this was all for our phonics class. Now we will move to our whole word class. Today we will learn two more new whole words. Number one is wealthy. How will we read this word? Wealthy. So now let us look a sentence and put this whole word into that sentence. Vikram Sarabhai was born in a wealthy business family of Gujarat in 1919. What is the word here? Wealthy. Okay students, now I am giving the same word to you and you will put this word into this bracket. So how we will read this word? People with a lot of money are very wealthy people. Okay. Now let us move to our next whole word, that is expect. What is the meaning of this? Expect. So how now again we are going to look this sentence with the sentence. So I expect you to be on time. It means that I want you to be on time in school. It's clear? Your teachers always say you that I expect you to do your work on time. Similarly, expect means when we want something. So again, now you put the whole word in the bracket and fill this word with that word. How we will read this now? We expect the students who work hard to get good marks. It's obvious that if a student is working hard, then he will get the good marks. So this was all for the whole word section. Now we will move on to our reading and listening comprehension. Before showing you the comprehension, I want you to remember these whole words or new words that will help you to understand the meaning of these comprehension given in the book. So in the comprehension you will find the word engineer. Who is engineer? A person who designs or builds machines. So let us look at the example. Some of the world's best engineers build race cars. Physicist. What do you mean by physicist? It is an expert in physics. Physicists found how stars give us light and energy. Okay students, now open up your SR 12 and read this paragraph, that is engineer turned physicist. Here the story is given to you of Vishwanath Vidyanathan, and try to read this story that is given to you on SR 12 and SR 13. I am giving you 5 minutes for this. You can pause the video and start reading the story. Okay, students. I hope that you have read the story and understood the meaning. So, now I am going to ask you 2 questions based on the same comprehension. Number 1 question is, why did Homi Baba not want to do engineering? And second question, that again from the story you will get the answer. Which energy did Homi Baba want to use to produce electricity? So the answer for first question is, Homi Baba did not want to do engineering because he was more interested in physics. And the answer to second question will be, Homi Baba wanted to use nuclear energy to produce electricity. What did he produce? Electricity. Okay, student, these are some more words, or we can say whole words or new words from the comprehension that will help you in the future as well, and it will help you to better understand the comprehension. So these are the 3 words, that is realized, considered, producing. Realized meaning is to become aware. Considered means thought about. Producing means making. And similarly the sentences are given to you. Okay, student, this was all for the reading and listening comprehension. Now we will move on to our 4th module, that is grammar. So here in the grammar section we have already learned about the present, past and future verbs. So now open up your WS22. In the book you can easily see an exercise that it rewrite each sentence by changing the verb as asked into the bracket. So here you can see the first question is given to you, I will be with my books in the evening. Here sentence is given to you. Now you have to change this sentence into past. In the bracket it is given to you that it is in future tense, because what is the verb here? Will be. So you have to change this into past. Similarly, all the other 5 questions you have to do it similarly as it is given in the bracket, to which form you have to change. Now let us look at the answers. So as I have read the first sentence, so I will be with my books in the evening, change into past, it will be now will be changed into was, will be changed into was. I was with my books in the evening. So as you can see in the sentence that the meaning of the sentence is completely changed. The thing that was happened to be in the future, now it has changed into past. Similarly, Rani was on the sofa. We have to change this on present. Was means it was past. So now we have to change in present. The present form of was is. So now the sentence becomes Rani is on the sofa. Okay, student, now note down these in your workbook and try to understand the meaning. Okay, students. Now this was all for our grammar section. Now the last section, that is reading and speaking comprehension. Here, okay, students, now we are going to move to our last module, that is writing and speaking expression. Here I am going to give you a topic for the procedure writing. You are already aware about what is procedure writing and why it is required. So here the today's topic for your procedure writing is how to cook your favorite vegetables. So what you will do for this? You will first of all list what is your requirement for cooking a vegetable and what is your favorite vegetables. You will list that, and then you are going to write point wise that first of all you will on the gas and whatever the things are required to you. Clear to you, students? I hope that today you enjoyed the session for your revision class and all your doubts regarding the issues or your queries are clear to you, that the topics you have covered in this week. At last I want to say that be safe and stay at home, and happy learning. Thank you and have a nice day.